Welcome to English 1010 for the spring semester 2011 at Jackson State Community College. I'm your instructor, Linda Nance, and I'd just like to review a couple things quickly before we begin the semester. Even though your course content is technically available on Thursday, January 13th, our class won't technically start until Sunday, January 16th. So you may want to go through and explore some of the materials that are already up and ready for you, but please note that nothing is set in stone as far as due dates until Sunday, January 16th. I will always have the week's lecture posted for you on Sundays by 5 p.m., so you'll be able to come and check for lectures and also for recordings like this one that you'll find from me. Your discussion board postings will almost always be due on Wednesdays by 9 p.m. and your major and minor writing assignments will all be due on Saturdays, almost always by 9 p.m. and you'll get specific dates listed for your assignments. So for example, this Wednesday, January 19th by 9 p.m. you'll need to post your discussion to the response of who are you. So this is an online class, and posting an introduction of who you are is a really good way to get to know each other and to form kind of a sense of community since we are online. And you'll note that I too will do this activity so you know who I am. And then on Saturday, January 22nd by 9 p.m. you're going to have 2 assignments due, which will be discussed further in depth when our lecture goes up this Sunday. But on Saturday, January 22nd by 9 p.m. you'll have your diagnostic essay due, and you'll also have a reading assignment for paper 1 due, or I'm sorry, a reading assignment for week 1 due as well. A couple things I kind of want to review for you. I know that the quality of this film is a little bit dark. I will try to be more well lit in the future for you. But you are going to need to have the Sundance Writer. It's a Rhetoric and Reader Handbook, the 4th edition. You'll need to have this. Most of your assignments are going to come from this textbook. And then you also need to have, obviously, access to our eLearn page. Okay. When you first go in, you're going to notice units that are listed under course content. It's going to be really important for you to go through and check out the information. You will find under Unit 1, which is Getting Started in an Online Class, several things. First, there's your course syllabus that you're going to want to go through very carefully. Learning outcomes, so you know what our goals are for this class, and also information on how to format your papers. Your papers are going to need to be set up according to MLA style. If you're unfamiliar with MLA, that's something that we will be discussing at length in this class. There's also a short video that you are required to read, and even if you've taken an eLearn class before, please make sure you go through and watch this video. It's very short, but it's going to give you a lot of good, relevant information. One of the things I do want to let you know is, since this is an online class, there's a couple things that I want you to keep in mind. First of all, I usually am able to get back to you via email within 24 hours. On occasion, it may take as long as 48, but I usually can get to you within a 24-hour period. Now, I do work full-time as a writer, so there are certain times during the week that you probably won't hear back from me, and those times are generally from 8 a.m. until 4:30 in the afternoon. But I always check email in the mornings, and I always check email in the evening. So make sure you give yourself a good window when you email me. Secondly, sometimes people sign up for online classes thinking that they're going to be a lot easier than, say, a traditional classroom-based course. And that's actually not true. In many ways, an online class can be a lot more difficult than a traditional classroom-based course. So a couple things to keep in mind. Do your work. Don't make excuses. Make sure that you participate in the class discussions and read the content that's been posted. The majority of emails or questions that an online instructor gets is material that is addressed in the content that's been posted. And keep in mind that the drop-fail rate in an online class is actually quite high. It can range anywhere from 50% to 75%, depending on whom you ask. So don't be a statistic. Understand that you're going to have to do a lot of writing in this course. You're also going to have to do a lot of reading. Reading and writing kind of go hand in hand to make stronger, better writers. The other thing that I would like you to keep in mind is that at some point during the semester, I am going to require you to visit Jackson State Community College's Writing Center. The Writing Center is a fantastic resource available for all students. It's covered in your student fees, and students of all levels can benefit from visiting the Writing Center. Our Writing Center at Jackson State is located in the library, and you can either make an in-person appointment or they do offer online appointments as well. Keep in mind that online appointments are not always as specific or detailed as an in-person visit, but you can still get some good feedback from a tutor on your writing. Okay, well, again, I am your instructor, Linda Nance. The best way to get in touch with me is through our eLearn email addresses. I'm usually able to get back to you within 24 hours. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer, but I try to make sure I can get back to you in a timely manner. Occasionally, almost every week, you are going to find videos like this posted from me that will either kind of introduce what we're going to be discussing in the coming week or review assignments, or there might be some important information I feel that I need to pass on. So, even though your classes are technically available at midnight on January 13th, our class is not officially going to begin until Sunday, January 16th. Okay, well, I hope you all have had a lovely week. Maybe you got out and were able to enjoy some of the snow. I'm a northerner, and so it was really fun to have some snow to get out and play in. And I hope to hear from you soon. And remember, you will have a discussion board post due this Wednesday introducing yourself to your classmates. You can model it after the one that I'll post. And you also will have 2 writing assignments due next Saturday. All right, well, we're off to the semester, so I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.